begin this testbed experiment to assess the feasibility of using TV white space for providing the broadband access. We developed a technology in our lab in IIT Bombay, basically exploiting a very low cost off the shelf available Wi-Fi and working in 500 megahertz band. And we use this technology to assess the feasibility of using the TV UHF band for providing the middle mile connectivity. In order to keep the costs low, our objective was also to deploy these Wi-Fi clusters, because we believe that the end consumer device should be a very low cost device which are eminently affordable. Now when you put these Wi-Fi access points in these hamlets, then these Wi-Fi access points need to be backhauled either using an optical fiber or using an Ethernet access cable. Now since the fiber cannot be taken to each and every Wi-Fi access point, we believe that the TV UHF band can fill this gap in connecting these Wi-Fi clusters to the fiber point of presence. We have deployed our antenna at the Khamloli tower, where the optical fiber point of presence is there. Then we have deployed 4 links which are near line of sight. One is at Pargaon, another one is at the Ganje tower, Haloli tower and Maswan tower. So these links are 7 kilometers, 6 kilometers, 5 kilometers and 4 kilometers link. We have deployed base stations at the Khamloli tower at a height of 30 meters, and these are all deployed at 20 meters, 25 meters height. The next is a multi-hop link that we have deployed. The first hop is of 2.5 kilometers, and we have a tower which is placed at the Dhuktan hill. So that constitutes the first hop. The second hop is at 1.2 kilometers, which is again at Dhuktan at Davlipada. The receivers are using the Yagi antennas, and as I told, the Khamloli tower is using a omnidirectional antenna. Then we have several multi-point to point links which are backhauling the Wi-Fi access point clusters. So one cluster is, for example, is at the Khamloli village. Another cluster is also at the Khamloli village. The third cluster is at Dhuktan village, and the fourth cluster is at the Bahadoli village. There are 2 clusters. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Wi-Fi access point clusters which are getting backhauled using the TV UHF band. We also have a one point-to-point Wi-Fi link, because this distance was very small, so we did not use the TV UHF link. And this slide shows now the overall networks. As you can see that there are a multi-point to point link, there are 2 hop link, and then there are few point to point or near line of sight links. This is spread over an area of about 20 to 30 square kilometers. We believe that the TV white space technology will be a game changer for providing broadband services to the rural and underserved areas. This technology will boost the program of Digital India launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, and we will be able to bridge this digital divide between the urban and the rural areas in a significant fashion.